Okay, here we have a 2008 Golf variant 1.4 TSI, which will not start. We don't know why. Been sat here for 3 months because we're waiting for a timing chain to come from Europe, because here in New Zealand the part is $1,000. Okay, we're going to put the key in. We have a loud sound coming from the engine. I'll just give the fuel pedal a little bit, and we press start. And it will keep doing that for a long time. The only lights that come on in here are a yellow steering wheel light, and all the other lights that obviously when it's about to start. So, we've had it down to a mechanic locally, no idea whatsoever. So we'll have a look under the engine. And we'll talk about the noise that it makes. Okay, things that we've done. There is a new battery. We've checked all those fuses. They're fine. Now, the noise itself seems to be coming from behind here. I have no idea what this is. We've got the Haynes manual, but there's fuck all in there that tells me what that part of it is. So, buying that manual, the online version, was about as useful as a cock-flavoured lollipop. So, let's have a listen what we can hear when it starts. Now, this is the relay. Whoop. Okay, pull that out. I know the relay's fine. I've pulled that apart and I've looked inside it. So, we'll put that in. Now, let's go and try and start the car momentarily. You'll hear the fuel pump come on straight away. Fuel pump is priming. Fuel pump stopped priming. That sound is still there. We'll try and turn it over. Again, now the pitch changes. Turn off the key. Now, where is that coming from? That noise is coming from whatever this thing here is. Okay, we'll have a look at that very closely in a second. But whatever that is, I think that's where the trouble is. Okay, now the light is shining here upon this object, which is where we think the problem is here. So let's have a shine, let's have a go, and you'll hear the funny noise. So once again, we'll turn the engine on and see what happens. Okay, there's our noise. God knows what the fuck that is. We've had the ECU out and reset it and done all that crap. Listen for the change. Okay, whatever the fuck that is, I don't know. Clearly something is wrong. It's possibly a fuel problem. I know we've changed the fuel. We've used the fuel pump in the tank to pump out 20 or 30 litres of fuel and put it till it's nearly empty and put in fresh fuel. Still, this fucking thing won't start. Now, if anybody can help, then please comment below and I'll see what I can do. And I will update this because I know people will have a similar problem, and there's nothing worse than people putting a post on saying, oh, this is wrong with my car, and getting it fixed and just not letting other people know what the problem is. So I will endeavour to do that.